Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do live video on Facebook and YouTube together. So live from phone to multiple platforms. So here we go. All you need is install this Prism Live Studio game and IRL. So this is by Never Corp. So you can install for free from Play Store. So here what's new, this is new update. Added Bluetooth microphone feature, added QR code overlay feature, improved beauty effect, improved usability of connect feature, and remove video editing feature. So here about this app, start live streaming on platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and more. And here we go, let's open it. So this is Prism Live Studio. So if this is your first time, you can connect with a Facebook, a Google account, Twitch account, and Never Cloud B2B. Or if you use Apple, Line, please sign up. So here, please grant the following permission to use Prism app, like camera required. This is permission required for live streaming, video recording, and photo shoots. Microphone permission required for voice recording during live streaming and video shoots. File and media required, permission required for the necessity of saving live streaming videos on the device or to load video from the device. Click OK or tap OK. So you can tap while using this app and allow. So here you can scan the QR code to connect to the PC or the remote control. Or this is the live mode, so you can edit the landscape broadcast screen or portrait one. And also there's a VTuber here. You can select your avatar type, 2D or 3D avatar. This is the beta. So here if you tap ready, so you can choose the broadcast on the platform you want, for example from Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and so on. Here you can connect your YouTube account or YouTube custom RTMP, or Facebook you can connect your Facebook or Facebook custom RTMP. So feel free to try to use this Prism app, live video on Facebook and YouTube together, broadcast on the platform that you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.